Anti-lock braking system using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. KONARK'S. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of anti-lock braking system using MSP430 LunchBox and simulation of anti-lock braking system with Arduino using Tinkercad from Alnoor Praveen. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of anti-lock braking system using MSP430 LunchBox and simulation of anti-lock braking system with Arduino using Tinkercad. So let's get it started.
Morning, my name is Alnoor Praveen. Currently, I am pursuing my M.Tech from Netaji Subhas University of Technology in VLSI department. My roll number is 2023PEV3203 and my embedded project is anti-lock braking system. Anti-lock braking system is a safety feature that has become a common feature in all the modern cars. It prevents wheels from locking up when brake is applied. It lets you control the vehicle while brake is applied and also reduce the braking distance. These are the components used in my project: MSP430 microcontroller, Code Composer Studio for compiling the code, jumper wire for connection, LED, resistance, LCD display, IR sensor module that detect obstacle around the vehicle, potentiometer which increase the vehicle speed, and wires. This is the flowchart of my proposed system. IR sensor first detect the obstacle around the vehicle and then indicating device indicate to the driver. This is the block diagram of anti-lock braking system using MSP430 microcontroller. This is the working block diagram. And these are the advantages of. This is the code which I have written for anti-lock braking system. So let's build this. Now microcontroller has also implemented the same circuit on Tinkercad using Arduino Nano. So when we increase the speed of vehicle, it indicates the driver and brake is applied.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.